Hey everybody, guess what we're doing tonight? Something we haven't done in quite a while, and that is a haul. Yep, I think it's been probably, a month or a month and a half, maybe 2 months. So, let me get started. My son-in-law's birthday is in April, and he's a big Star Wars fan, so I got him this mug. You are too awesome, R2D2. Isn't that cute? And it's a big cup, very big. Then they had all their spring 40% off, and I got 2 of these birds, but what I'm going to do with these, and for anyone that's not Mackenzie Child, you aren't going to care about this, but I'm going to check some of this bird on both of these. And I'm going to try to put them in this bird cage that I have, but I don't know that it's going to work. It probably won't. But whatever the case, we'll figure it out. But anyway, I got these 2, and these were normally $6.99 and 40% off, so $4.89. Same thing with this frog. Mackenzie Child has a lot of frogs in her decor, and I'm going to check in here. I'm going to leave this part green because this is the color green she uses a lot in her painting. So that was $4.99. I'm not going to go and convert what it was. Every price that I give, take 40% off of it. Okay, so this was $4.99. But look how cute that face is. Look how cute. Then they had these ants, and these were $4.99. But I want to check the back of these 2 ants. Those will go cute with my summer theme. I also am going to do a fun thing with this fanny pack and this canvas, it's a little shoulder. I mean, just to put probably your phone and your money and keys. And then this is a makeup bag. And to go with that, now they don't go together, but they had these canvas bags, and these are very, very nice. And these were 40% off. But I'm thinking this is a pocket, but I want to check this part of it. But these are big. I mean, big. Isn't that pretty? Especially for summer. Then they have all kinds of charcuterie boards. And they have some really, really big ones, but I don't have use for that anymore. I don't have real big parties, really. But this would be perfect, and then I might get a round one, but this would be perfect for some grapes, cheese, some other fruits, and then get a round one for your crackers. Or maybe your crackers and cheese on the round one, and then all of your fruits on this one. But isn't that pretty? It's a really pretty board. And this was $14.99, 40% off of that. My son years ago got me this big wooden, I don't know what kind of wood it is. I want to say it's teak, but I'm not positive. But I lost the spoons that went with it because, to get the salads out. And I loved it, and I still had it. And so I got these today, and these were normally $4.99. So to something, but this, then you can get the salad out with these. I also have an ice shaver, so I got some of this grape syrup. So with shaved ice, you put this syrup on it. And they had these, I thought these were cute, these little frozen ring pops. You know how you get the ring pops like the sucker? Well, this is for, you know how, remember when you'd put the, like the Kool-Aid or the fruit juice or whatever into these little containers, but it's the little rings. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And these were normally $4.99 and then 40% off that. So I thought these would be cute. Another thing I got was this rubber, it's like a, not a, well, it says food prep, but when you're putting on barbecue sauce and so on, and this was normally $3.99, but these are nice to have. And it's a nice one. It's got a wooden handle and then the silicone. So I thought that was nice. The biggest thing, and again, if you're familiar with Mackenzie Child, right now what she has in her summer and spring are the white flowers with the black middle. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. All I'll have to do is take enamel, black enamel paint, and paint this black. But this one, and I don't know if it was a mistake because I looked at all of them and it didn't have any color. So I got 2 of the big ones and then 2 of the small ones. Now, I might not leave all of these white. I might come in and either check every other one, or I might take some material or some napkins and come in and do the burn technique. But when I do these, I'll bring you with me. But I thought these were so cool because, again, and when I do these, I'll show you in the catalog of Mackenzie Child how she has these. And it's the daisies. It's the daisies like this. And they want, I think for the small one, I want to say, and I'm not sure, I'll have to get the catalog, but I want to say the small one was 50 and the bigger one was 79 or something. I can't remember, but again, when I start doing these, I'll show you. But this is what I was really excited about, because when I saw these, I thought, oh my gosh, look, I can't believe it. And these, again, were 40% off the regular price, and the big ones were $11.99, and the small ones were $9.99. So almost 2 for the price of one. Not quite, but almost. So guys, I just wanted to let you kind of spruce up my bathroom. And so what I did is I went on Amazon and I bought, I believe this was 20, I want to say it was, gosh, what was this one? I don't believe it was more than 21. But this is like, again, the Mackenzie Child. And you're not going to be able to see the full pattern, but when I put it in my bathroom, I'll bring you in to show you. Let me get to the top. Okay, I'm trying to show you. You know how she has the black stripes? Well, then they have this gorgeous flower. And then they have another one at the end, at the bottom. Look at this. Look how gorgeous. And this is through Amazon. So I got that. And then when I was at Hobby Lobby, trying to see if this had a name. No, it just says black and white stripe. This, well, I'll show you the picture. I don't know if you can tell. But that's what it'll look like. But I'll show you when I put it up. Then while I was at Hobby Lobby, they had all of their signs on sale for 50% off. And this one I got for the craft room. Work until your signature becomes an autograph. I love that. So I might check this, you know, with the white and black. I don't know yet. And then I got this one for the bathroom, because this one reminds me of myself, because I always wear my hair up. My hair's pretty long, and I always wear it up because it's so hot, and with my sunglasses, and so I thought I'd put this in the bathroom. I thought it was kind of funny. And this was, oh no, you know what? This was on clearance, but the tag's off. So I don't know how much it was. So I can't tell you. That's right, this was on clearance. This one was regularly $11.99, 50% off. So 6. And then this one I just had to. Top knots and Hobby Lobby trips. So when the day comes that I retire from there, I'll still have this. This was $14.99, so $7. Well, no, $15, so $7.50. But I thought those were cute. And those are just to put, you know, on a counter or in your room. But I like this one for the bathroom. And I think this will go pretty with this. So that's what I got from Hobby Lobby and from Amazon for my bathroom. So I wanted to share that with you. So it was fast, quick, to the point, but I wanted to share it with you. Guys, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.